Hi, my name is KHEKAN SAHU. I am from Hyderabad, Chhattisgarh. I completed my B.TECH in Computer Science. After my completing engineering, I joined Jspiders for Java full stack course in last year 2024, where my trainers are Manjunath sir, Kaushik sir. Taught Java and web technology by Reswaman and React by Sivanand sir and advanced Java by Ravi sir. Trainers are very helpful in give assignment for practices, do projects for us, and they teach each and every topics in detail in classroom only. Uh, and they conducted mock test, which is very helpful for the student to getting a place in companies via giving a real time interview for in trainers. So it is very helpful for the students. Thank you.